Ano ba kabalin? Welcome to Where in Pampanga. For this video, we were invited by Hansik, rotating K-food sushi at iba pa. So this is located po sa may Cutcut, Angeles City. We wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go!
Ano ang butik niya?
Sana digunin. Ito na. Spring roll. Fresh spring roll. Sea urchin.
Princess Dayacho. Actually, I'm half Korean, half Filipino. I was born here, but I raised in Korea. Japanese food, and then I have my own recipe for sushi rice, which is very important. And then we use Gikomang house brand. I'm the one make always ng gabi, even very sleepy. Actually, our name is Hansik. Hansik meaning is Korean food. And basis Korean food is over 50 plus, and then there is K-food and sushi, Japanese food, and at iba pa. We have some Asian food, we have some Western food, we have even Italian pasta, even we have sandwiches, Vietnamese noodles, Vietnamese roll. They start to eat and then they enjoy. Everybody go out and smile. So it's my pleasure. Years of very in Pampanga, please come Hansik restaurant. This is located in Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City. This is not so big restaurant, but you can enjoy lots of food, drinks, or whatever you want, and you can enjoy a special experience for your whole family or with loved ones.